Okay, another project on the i8 that I got from Copart. It was a little issue putting it together. Got it all wrapped up. Now I'm working on the dashboard because we're having an issue with the dash where just the letter that's on top of the dash, it just comes off. It's a material, leather material, which is just comes off with the sun, I guess, and it's known for this. Every dashboard that I viewed, had this issue. So just a couple things on the dash, how I took it out. I broke two clips over here right in the middle. I'll show you what I did, and so you guys don't do it, because I couldn't find any videos whatsoever on YouTube in order to take this sucker out. But here's a few tips. Maybe it's going to help you guys out in future. So I had to remove this to get all the wiring out and everything. There's clips over here. And then there's a screw that's actually from the inside that I was have to take it out. So I broke one clip here. There's a screw over here on the A-pillar on top by the window. And then you have two more screws over here on this metal piece right here. There's two more screws that you can reach from the inside. But it's really hard to take out the screw from here and all these plugs, all the wires and everything right here. So I had to get that sucker out. There's screw here, screw here. You got to take the screen out. In order to take the screen out, there's two screws on top, and then the screen just pops out. So that comes out as well. Now there's two screws here. There's one here, one over here, and then there's two screws. There's one there and one over there. That's the two that I actually broke off. It was a hard time finding it. I couldn't find it, and I kind of pulled on the dashboard a little bit harder and broke it. Oh well. We're going to have to deal with it. I'm going to have to repair it and get it going. You have to take this screen out as well. There's on top of the screen, there's going to be two screws. You got to take it out in order to even move this dashboard whatsoever. On this side, you'll have another screw here. And then you'll have another screw from the inside where you can reach from the hole. There's another screw right there. Basically, that's mounted. Do not forget, you have to unplug the airbag. There's one plug here, and there's one plug on the other side of the airbag as well that you gotta take it out, which is it's you know, it's not hard, but it is not simple. And then there's a wire over here to this speaker. Be careful to pull on it because you will rip it off, and so you have to move the dashboard out in order to actually get that wire out of there. Other than that, there is some wires over here that you have to loosen up. You have to disconnect this one. There's a few wires over here that you have to take out in order to get this thing out. Follow for more video, and I will show you another thing.